Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your podcasting business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For a podcasting business, lawsuits can arise from things like accusations that your business has stolen content from a blogger and an inability to repay a loan following a drop in revenue. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your podcasting business seem more credible. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Let's continue the video. Now, you might ask, do I need an LLC for a podcasting business? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. Let's discuss LLC benefits for a podcasting business. By starting an LLC for your podcasting business, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Podcasting businesses will benefit from liability protection because of a variety of risks associated with the distribution of potentially slanderous information or other audio protected by copyright laws. There are additional risks associated with employees and guests visiting your physical studio location. For example, a blogger accuses you of taking content from his blog for your podcasts and insists you must share the funds from that content. If he decides to sue for infringing on his intellectual property, limited liability will limit the lawsuit to your business assets only, while your personal assets will be protected. Another example, your audience renews their annual subscription to your exclusive podcast episodes. Months later, you fall sick and need to take a break. Consequently, you are unable to give them value for their money. They want a refund, but you are ill and cannot afford it. If they sue, your business may be affected, but you will remain safe. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. To maintain your LLC's limited liability protection, you must maintain your LLC's corporate veil. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Bizee, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Bizee, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. LLC tax benefits and options for a podcasting business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employee owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if a podcasting business owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. You can start an S-Corp when you form your LLC. Our How to Start an S-Corp guide will lead you through the process. Credibility and consumer trust. Podcasting businesses rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Now comes the important part: how to form an LLC. Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. You can hire a trusted LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Or, you can choose your state to start an LLC yourself. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Do LLCs need insurance? Yes. LLCs need insurance even though they have limited liability for 2 reasons. Limited liability does not protect the business's assets, only the owner's. Limited liability does not protect the owner's personal assets from negligent acts they personally commit. For an important note, you may be required to purchase some forms of insurance by law. Most states, for example, require LLCs to get workers' compensation insurance if they hire employees. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when starting a podcast business. The good thing about it is that it's typically more straightforward to form, maintain, and even dissolve compared to other entity types. Researching and understanding LLC's terms before committing to one is important, as several factors can influence an LLC's cost and functionality. Want to make the setup process even simpler? With Bizee, you can easily file your LLC for $0 plus state fees. Both your schedule and your wallet are sure to appreciate it. And no matter what business you choose to start an LLC in, Bizee can help you do so. Make sure to research your business name and make sure it's available in your state. Use our business name search tool for guidance. Bizee has helped over 1 million small business owners. Form your LLC $0 plus state fee. It includes free registered agent service for a full year. Check the link in the description box down below. The full review of Bizee is also given.